I'm on a mission to lose 100 pounds in 2026 by eating in a calorie deficit, and it's weigh-in day.
This is my first weigh-in since I started, and I'll go ahead and remind you of the starting weight, 381 pounds. I weighed just a few moments ago, and that weight was 362.5 pounds. That's an 18.5 pound loss. I hope I can keep up that momentum. I know that's probably not feasible. I know that you lose a little bit faster when you start. Some of it's water weight, so on and so forth. But hopefully I'll make my goal this year, and I appreciate each and every one of you.
I'm on a mission to lose 100 pounds in 2026 by eating in a calorie deficit, and here's what I ate today. I broke my fast around 3:30 with some ground beef, half an avocado, and an over easy egg. This has 466 calories, 48 grams of protein, and 6 fiber. I weighed myself this morning after I woke up, and I was down 14.2 pounds from last month's weigh-in. Moving on, I had some of these spicy sardines and spicy peanuts, adding 495 calories, 32 grams of protein, and 5 fiber. For dinner, I had some of this seasoned rice, roasted Brussels sprouts, and a grilled chicken breasticle. This comes in at 896 calories, 106 grams of protein, and 12 fiber. This plate had me feeling pretty full. Also, if y'all didn't know, I am a chicken cooking savant. Juicy and delicious every single time. What's my secret? A thermometer. You should go buy one. Yeah. I'm on a mission to lose 100 pounds in 2026 by eating in a calorie deficit, and here's what I ate yesterday. To start off, I did my monthly weigh-in, and the new weight is 341.2 pounds, down 7.1 from last time, and 40 pounds overall. I broke my fast at 3:30 with 3 eggs past 11, some egg whites, cottage cheese, and avocado. This whole plate has 486 calories. I also had one of these high-protein yogurts, so go ahead and tack on 90 calories. For dinner, I made this Big Mac in a bowl situation with some slaw mix, roasted potatoes, 90-10 ground beef, some cheese, some caramelized onions. All I had was a purple onion for that, so I made do with some of this homemade Big Mac sauce with light mayo. And this whole plate has 1,149 calories. Yes, that's a big meal, but just add up the day total. I've been filming some long-form videos today, so hopefully I'll have those edited and sent out to you all soon, so be sure to sub so you don't miss those or the next weigh-in. Thanks for watching. I'm on a mission to lose 100 pounds in 2026 by eating in a calorie deficit, and it's weigh-in day. Started early by making some swamp potatoes in my crock pot. This gets potatoes, onions, corn, French onion soup mix, Cajun seasoning, green beans, and a little water. And then you just let that cook until dinner. While that's going, let's go ahead and get the weigh-in.
Okay, so we are down 6 pounds from our last weigh-in. We started mid-January, so the halfway point on time is mid-June, and we are only 4 pounds off from the 50-pound halfway point. Now, before we get into the food, I have a huge favor to ask all of you. I recently started making long-form content here on YouTube, and it's not doing so well. If all of you or any number of you could please just go watch one of those videos and let me know what you liked, what you didn't like, what I can improve upon, what you would like to see, that would help me out so much. You have no idea. Now, let's get to the food.
I broke my fast around 4 with 5 eggs, 3 turkey sausage links, and some cottage cheese. And this has 588 calories. Moving on to dinner, I added some browned kielbasa sausages to the swamp potatoes, and then I had a bowl adding 697 calories, and you know what? I had a second bowl, so double that. I've made these a few times since I found the original recipe, and I've modified it a little bit. This was not the best version of it I've made, but you know what? It is what it is.